sudden earthquake tore through the peaceful life of a small farm, leaving nothing but ruins. Believing Hulk dead, his grieving friends buried him. But Hulk was not finished. With sheer will, he clawed his way out of the grave and rose again.
Thank you, my friend.
Hey, Hulky, help me!
Okay, here we go!
He jumped onto his mini tractor, loaded the trolley with tools and materials, and rushed back to the site of destruction. Without rest, he began rebuilding. His hands blistered, his body ached, yet his determination burned stronger than the ruins around him. At last, after hours of relentless labor, a solid, disaster-proof house stood tall, a monument of survival and triumph against the odds.